Alright, let's thinking about solving exponential functions, equations. So how do I solve exponential equation? The one thing how to solve exponential equation, if you have something, you have to set it, they have the same power like this. Then you can set the power have to be the same. So have you set it up into the same base, the same power, the same. But always, last thing I want you to notice here is always check your answer to the original equations. So that's the process of solving any sort of equation. You solve it, then you find an answer. You don't stop there. You just make sure it is equal. All right. Example. If you have 3 to the x, when is it equal to 9x plus 1? Okay. What x make that possible? First, this one is not the same base, so think first you have to change this to the same base. 3x here is equal to 3 squared, which is 9x plus 1. What you do with the power, you multiply this power to this guy. So this is 3x is equal to 3 to the power 2 times x plus 1. Now this telling you that the power, they have the same base, that means the power have to be the same. So this is x equal to 2x plus 2. Subtract 2x to both sides. So now you have minus x equal to 2. That means x must equal to a minus 2. So that means this tells you if x equal to a minus 2, you get the same answer. 3 to the minus 2, okay? 3 to the minus 2. Oh, sorry. Yes. Okay. Minus 2. So why is it true? So check your answer. Why is it true? So if I put it in, 3 to the minus 2 must equal to 9 to the minus 2 plus 1. And this guy here is 9 to the minus 1. So this is 3 to the minus 2 equal to 9 to the minus 1. But you think about 9 to the minus 1, this is 3 squared to the minus 1. So it is 3 to the minus 2. So it is correct. Okay, so this is the answer. Alright, so make sure you always check the answer. Let me show you the case that it may have a problem when you deal with an answer like this. So for example, okay, if you have, let's say another example here. What if you try to solve this equation here? Okay, 2 to the x squared must equal to 2 to the x times 1 over 4. Now 1 over 4 I can write into a power. This 1 over 4 here, remember 1 over 4 we can write this is 1 over 2 squared, right? If there is a 2 squared on the bottom here, I can bring it to the top, which is 2 to the minus 2. So 1 over 4 here is 2 to the x times 2 to the minus 2. So this is 2x squared. And what do I do with this? You add them, right? So this is 2 to the x squared is equal to 2 to the x minus 2. This telling you that the x squared must equal to x minus 2. Now how do I solve this guy? Well, first you need to move it to 0. Set one side to 0. It's x squared minus x plus 2 must equal to 0. Okay, then you can use quadratic formula. So x equal to minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a, which is times 1. And notice that this guy here is negative. If this guy is negative, you cannot take a square root. That means no real solution. If there is no real solution, what can you say about the solution to this? Is there any way to make those things equal whatsoever? Never. You cannot have one. There's no way you can find one. Okay, there's no way you can find an x to satisfy those guys. Okay, it is possible to have something like this. So please try the homework and see what you can do with this. Okay, this is the note. This is the note and example for 5.3.